再去看世界，来看非洲人口上济国家奈及利亚，因为都市化发展，少年人的消费强，这夜生活是愈来愈多元。其中，佫有流行一种伫咧便所内底翕相翕人的装潢的文化，真正是互人大开眼界。
去便所除了方便，女性朋友也可会补一粒妆整理外貌。伫非洲奈及利亚，女性更较流行伫便所自拍。奈及利亚大城市的餐厅甲夜店，除了餐点甲音乐 DJ， 更较主打便所的装潢创意甲华丽感。伫上大城市拉各斯的沙律餐厅便所，有金质的大理石壁面甲宫廷风的镜。加上灿烂的灯区甲霓虹灯，女性人客一礼拜就摕手机开始翕，无论是家己翕还是请朋友翕，各种角度落来一张。便所也正做翕相甲打卡的圣地。
You can look at yourself, you can dress yourself, maybe you're feeling uncomfortable in where you are, so you can come to the toilet and take a selfie and look at yourself if you're good.
餐厅的便所除了华丽装潢，也提供创意服务。市集的开关，服务生就会送来香槟。要啉进前，唔通袂记你家己翕一个。甲网友讲，家己当咧伫流行的店消费，奈及利亚便所自拍文化为什么时阵开始流行，已经唔知影。也毋过对于餐厅业者来讲，这也是吸引人客标准服务。
And we need to create something new for the customers, some beautiful touches, you know, like something to remember us. So they will go tell their friends, I was in the bathroom, I took champagne glass, you know, like it's something new for us.
拉各斯的洛可可餐厅主打流行风潮，便所嘻化的风格真紧伫网友之间流传。业者表示，开幕2礼拜，便所打卡人数就冲破6000，一张便所的相片上传网络2点钟，虽受到200倍的用餐侮辱。
It's very important for women because most of the time the cost of going to a studio to take professional pictures, it's alarming these days. So having a space like this where you can take pictures with your cell phones, edit on your own is actually perfect.
奈及利亚的便所流行美学伫社群媒体引起讨论，也反映出奈及利亚少年世代对流行表达甲自我形象的重视，展现非洲新兴都会文化的活力甲创意。公司新闻张淑芬编译。